guys, what's up? It's me, Cassy, and today is my birthday. I am turning 11 years old, and I'm gonna show you the decorations right now. It's really cool.
Salamat, Shabby! Salamat, Shabby!
So guys, in these next clips, you're gonna see people here because we are giving away food. So yeah, that's why there's a lot of people.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Ingat kayo dia, diri mo. Liho ka rin ba? Happy birthday!
Hi guys, so sometime later, I'm now in comfier clothes and everybody has left now. So that's the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed my birthday vlog because I did, and this is gonna be really fun to edit. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it, and please leave a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't ever miss another video. Hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.